Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Forex, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add additional or the hidden drawing tools to your charts on MetaTrader 5. So what I mean by that is there's actually quite a few different drawing tools that may not be apparent at first glance when you first begin to use MetaTrader 5. There's actually quite a few different drawing tools that can be utilized on MetaTrader 5, but again, they're a bit locked away, so this video will demonstrate how to actually add those drawing tools to your platform so you can access them whenever you like. But before I do proceed, I would like to mention that if you're in the market for a new Forex trading platform, or you're just looking for a new Forex trading platform, feel free to use the link provided at the very beginning and at the very end of this video. The same link will be provided down in the description below. The link in the description will bring you directly to the demo signup page for MetaTrader 5. So feel free to use that link to access the page directly, or simply type it in the browser using the beginning or the end screens. Now onto the video. So like I said, there are quite a few different drawing tools that at first glance you may not notice on MetaTrader 5. So first up, we'll open up a chart, and I'll make this full screen here. Now you do have a couple of different options here by right-clicking on the actual chart. A few customization or visual options, not too many or anything related to drawing tools in this section. Now you do have your toolbar up at the top here. Again, you get some of those similar options for your bar chart or your candlesticks or your line. You can zoom in and out as well as arrange windows. We can shift and scroll our chart timeframes. We can even save our chart as a picture. We have crosshairs, and then you have your basic visual drawing tools such as the draw a vertical line, horizontal line, trend lines. Again, typical tools as you might expect. We even have some Fibonacci retracements and a few other drawing tools here as well. Now, as you notice, there is a drop-down tool, which again, you can access quite a few additional different tools here that you don't see right off the bat. Now, these are just a bit gimmicky in my opinion, and yes, they do serve their purpose, of course, but they aren't exactly the most helpful. Now, if you would like to add additional drawing tools to your platform, you can actually do so by right-clicking here and then going down to customize. And now, as you can see, we actually have access to a bunch of different new drawing tools that are quite useful. So for example, we have trend lines by angles, linear regression channels, standard deviation, Gann line, fans, and grids. We have a bunch of different Fibonacci customization options such as time zones, fans, arcs, expansion channels. We have Elliott wave. And then we have our typical rectangles, triangles, ellipses, and other various small drawing tools or indicators. Now, don't get me wrong, a bunch of these can be accessed under the indicators panel. But again, these all have their specific own uses, and it is more than likely that a lot of times the customization involved with the indicators isn't to the highest degree. So for those users that want to get in there and manually customize everything to their own liking, or draw their own trend lines or their own Fibonacci angles or retracement lines, this step is for you. So again, just simply right click along our toolbar here, and then we can customize. If there's anything on this right hand side that we don't like, we can simply remove it by highlighting it and then clicking on remove. Anything you have available in your button section here, simply click and enter. And as you can see, there are a ton of different options as I've shown. If you do use this separator line here, that'll just create one of these separators between our toolbar, as you can see. So I created a separator and then I began to add our own custom lines. I added another separator and then I began to add some more customizable buttons. So if you would like to organize your different drawing tools in different sections and separate them using the separators, that can be done so using this top button. So once you do have everything customized to your liking though, you can simply just close this out, and if you'd like to, you can save the platform. That way it will save all customization settings. From there, anytime you do have a chart open, you can simply access your drawing tool and then simply click and then drag on the chart. This isn't exactly an accurate representation of how you use this drawing tool, but it's just demonstrating the possibility to show you how you can actually add these to your own platform and use them as you like. If you'd like to use one of these drawing tools, again, simply just left click on that tool. Once the blue highlight goes around it in the toolbox, simply left click on your chart. Each tool does behave a bit differently, but for right now I'm using Fibonacci retracements. So I'll left click on the bottom of one of my candles here and then move up to the right, drag it to one of the price levels towards the top. And as you can see, I get my Fibonacci represented in percentages. So that was just a short little video showing you how to access the hidden or so-called hidden drawing tools on MetaTrader 5. I hope you found this video helpful. And again, if you'd like to check out MetaTrader 5 for absolutely free, you can do so using the links at the very beginning or at the end of the video, as well as the description or the link down in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.